Hello everybody, I'm Dutch, and today I'm going to show you how to put on the Z-liner onto the NX270. These are of course Clark products, and these come with specific quilts. You'll see that there's Velcro that goes the whole way around the perimeter of the hammock, and then there's matching Velcro that's also on the quilt. So to start it, I come over to the end and I start where the Velcro starts, and then I like to just bring the strap around and it just Velcros on. So you're just going around the perimeter, and you're just attaching the quilt to the Velcro. Again, I'm going to bring this around. On the other side, I'm going to do the exact same process. It's a little bit easier over here because it's already lined up. So, one of the beauties of this quilt is that it is going to insulate the entire bottom of the hammock, which keeps the internal temperature of the whole hammock, especially when you have this weather shield closed. You can see you have a weather shield and then a screen. It keeps the internal temperature of the entire hammock warmer. Plus, it doesn't matter where you move to on the bottom of this hammock, it's going to be insulated. This is a 6.0 climate shield that's on here. Thank you, everybody.